So hello guys, so today is the part 2 of the balance lot of products. So let's get started.
Keep this in here. Yes. So next we are getting into the another concealer and blush palette. If you are a beginner, I would probably say to invest in a palette. Like you get different shades of concealer, different shades of blush. Like you have a variety of choices, as well as for concealing also you have a variety of shade choices. So once you have figured out your shade, then you can actually go in for a proper concealer. Unless and until you get a perfect shade for you, it's very hard, and it's not that smart to go in and just buy some random concealers. Yeah. Oh my god, it's really so. I'm not planning to open this because probably if you want a detailed video, you can ask for a detailed video, and I think it will work out that way. That's the best thing to do. Then we are going into. I talked about blush and also concealing. It is actually used to highlight your high cheekbones, like on the bridge of the nose side of your cheeks, your jawline, whatever. You can highlight it so that when the light hits, you get a very great, shine to your face. Then we have, after applying all the base, we have the setting powder. This is Insights banana loose powder. Rather than going in with or going opting compact powder, I would say setting powder is the best for setting your makeup, so that some compacts are very dry and it's a bit thick too. There is a huge chance for making like the makeup so dry or cakey. So I would suggest you to go in and choose a banana powder. Yeah, so I think it's pretty much it. It's going to be like 10 minutes. So there are a lot more products which I really want to show you guys. So if you need any reviews on the products which I show in this video, please comment down below. The balance whole video will be done in my next video. And I will check your comments, and I will let you guys know where to start, how can we. The thing is that we can make mistakes while doing makeup. We might, like, first at your first attempt for doing a makeup, you might look like a ghost, or yeah, it's possible. But just know that once you get into the track, you are gonna give a best look to yourself. So yeah, that's it. So bye bye. So balance all videos. All video will be done in my next videos. Bye.
Hey shadows, so this is the part 2 of the makeup haul video. And I think you guys have commented some things like regarding the makeup tips and the makeup products. So I'll be addressing that very soon. But now let's continue with the makeup products which I really want to show you guys. So now we are actually getting into the eye makeup. So before doing eye makeup, I want to introduce some like makeup tools to you guys. It's mainly, since we are talking about eye makeup, I will show you guys different types of eye makeup tools. Like there are a lot of like makeup, eyeshadow brushes. So I will like talk about each and every eye makeup brush in my next video, so that you can get an idea about the eye makeup. So that's that. And I forgot to talk about this like base makeup brushes. there is foundation brush, there is contour brush, and also for your loose powder also there is a brush. Okay, I'll talk more about it, don't worry. Since we are getting into eye makeup, it's obvious that we'll apply a concealer before starting with eye makeup. And I would always suggest you to start with your eye makeup first, because when you're applying an eyeshadow, it's very possible that it will get into your cheeks and it's gonna make a mess on your face. So after that mess, if you're gonna after that mess, you won't look great having eyeshadows here and there. So I would say that you guys need to start with eye makeup, then you can apply your base so that your eyeshadow on your face won't be a big problem. So I really want to talk about this. So I have this palette. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this palette. I really want to use this palette, but look how beautiful it is. It has some shimmer, some browns, like pinks, whites. Oh, every color brown skin girl actually needs is here. This is the Swiss Beauty Awaken eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, look at this, how pretty it is. My lord, I'm just obsessed with this. Can't wait to try this out. Then we have sorry. Then we have the Swiss Beauty eyeliner. I really want to give a shout out to this particular eyeliner because its brush is really thin. Okay. And if you want to write an eyeliner which is more natural, into a natural side, opt for this. It is waterproof. Like the eyeliners I've used was mostly like drugstore ones like Lakme or the small glass bottle. It's my first time using this and it's really waterproof. Like I just swatched this and it's just jet black, and I was drinking water or something and some water came to my hands and I was really shocked. This I tried to rub it, but it actually didn't spread but peeled off. I really like those kind of eyeliners. And we also have Swiss Beauty mascara. Then we are going to the brows. For brows, I have two eyebrow pencils. This is from Mars. So you got like the minimum quantity was 2, so I thought why not buy 2. I'm not a person who's into doing eyebrows a lot. I usually skip it, but eyebrows are the ones which usually frame your face. So it's really important to do your eyebrows. Just doing your eyebrows and putting some lipstick on is perfect for any day look. So if you're a beginner, you have to really go in and opt for a brown eyeliner, because you might think why Indians have really dark, black eyebrows, and why am I suggesting to go for a brown? It's mainly because, when you first start lining your eyebrows, doing your eyebrows, and it's not always sure that you get both eyebrows perfect. If you go in and opt for a brown eyeliner, it doesn't look like, there is a character in one of the Malayalam movies and his name is Digambaran. Okay, he won't actually look like a Digambaran. So it's always best to go in by a brown eyebrow pencil and just start from the middle rather than the front. Okay, if you don't want to look like a Digambaran, yeah. Then we are getting into, oh sorry, I'm sorry. We do have like kajal, a fancy retractable kajal from Swiss Beauty. See, when I am talking about the products and it's mostly from Swiss Beauty, don't think that I got a collab or a big PR from Swiss Beauty. No, I really wish that I get a collab, but I didn't got a collab yet. And hopefully if I have like more subscribers and viewers, I might get that time. I would definitely add paid promotion in my every videos. Whatever products which are sent by PR, which is a PR, I would add. Don't worry. This is all of these products are from my wallet. All of these products. Yeah. So the eye makeup is done. Now let's get into the lips, you guys. Lips. I have not bought any bullet lipstick. I only have one or two bullet lipsticks, which is not in this haul. It's one of them is the Brandy Harrington, which is also from Swiss Beauty. The other one is more into like I had a Lakme Brown Souvenir lipstick, which was perfect for every Indian skin tone. But they have literally discontinued that. Why? Why, guys? Why? Why Lakme? Why are you discontinuing the best shades out there? I think I might buy the alternatives of dupe for that lipstick for sure. But that lipstick is completely finished and dried out, so I'm really sad. So I thought I might create it for myself, by myself. This is what I'm talking about. This is the Mars Infinity Lip Palette. As you guys can see, there is so many products which gonna wash out, so many like shades, which is gonna be sweating me. But I really want to say this, like in this lip palette, you can mix and match. And I tried this. I tried this. This is really pigmented. Like I thought it might be just like a lip balm and light tinted gives light pigment, but it is really pigmented and tinted. So it's perfect. It is really like a bullet lipstick, and it's the best product for like any lipstick lovers. So yeah, I will try on like mix and matching different shades in the coming up videos, I guess, and you guys can suggest some shades to mix so that we can find out which shade we would get. Yeah, so that's that. So lip makeup is almost done. Since I said before, I have not bought any bullet lipstick yet. I will try to do a review video for the bullet lipstick in the shade Brandy Harrington. And yeah, not other than that, I don't have any bullet lipstick. I need to buy few very soon. Then we have last but not the least, we have like the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 3-second setting mist. This is really famous. This is a really famous product. Every beauty blogger might have used this at least for once, I guess. I feel so. This is so convenient because conveyable. What's that? Convenient? Yeah, convenient. Yeah, sorry. This is really convenient because you can just shake it and spray it all over the place. And it does make even your skin, like the lipstick, stay. Yeah. So I have two more things to show you guys. This is the makeup brush cleaner. You can apply some soap and just clean it. Then we have the beauty sponge. Actually, for this particular like tint serum, you don't need any brush, especially not a beauty blender. Because what beauty blender does is that even if you apply a lot of foundation onto your face, when you use a beauty blender, sponge actually like takes out a lot of product from your face, so it's more into a waste of product rather than blending. So for this kind of tinted serums and all, it's better to not go in with the sponge seriously, but you can maybe use foundation brush if you want. So that's for it, and that's it. That's all. I hope you like this, whole video, and I really hope you guys can subscribe to my channel and support me since I'm a beginner and trying out new things for myself. I really want you guys support. Yeah. So that's it. So you can comment down below what all reviews do you need. You need reviews of some skincare products, or like since I have acne prone skin, which is the most difficult skin type ever have. Like whatever you put on your face, you get pimples, blah blah blah. So I have some skincare products that I use. I can also show those things, those products. So yeah, that's it. So do like and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.